How to copy files and folders to USB drive. So if you want to copy files and folders to USB drive, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer, you just need to simply go with this PC. Now, once you go with this PC, you just need to simply go with the USB drive. So in my case, this is the USB drive or the pen drive. So make sure to insert it. Once you insert it, then you will have your drive. Okay, so once you have your drive, now make sure that the drive that you're selecting is the particular USB drive. Now you need to find the files and folders that you would like to copy to your USB drive. So just go with the files and folders. For example, I'll be going with downloads, and here I want to transfer this to my USB drive. So what I'll do is you just need simply right click on it and go with show more options, go with send to, and here you will have USB disk F, which is in my case, it's the USB drive. So if you click on it, then it will be sent. You can just open up your USB disk F and here you will have the file that you just had on your downloads. Now in the same way, you can simply go with any other file. For example, I'll be choosing videos or just documents. Now, if you want to send these documents to the USB drive, then just select the documents and here you will have your USB drive, right? If you don't find that, then you can simply go and enlarge it and you will find the drive right here. So once you have it, what you need to do, you just need to simply drag and drop that to your USB disk. And that's it. Now, if you open up your USB disk, then here you will have all of the files that you've just copied or sent. So that's how you can copy files and folders to your USB drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.